Got some new tires today. Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06 Plus. This is the latest from Continental. High performance all season. 315/35 ZR20 XL 110Y. So this is a high performance tire. As you can see, the thread pattern of this tire is really designed for snow. The outer side of it has this blocks for performance, and the middle side is really designed for water evacuation and snow grip. So this is what I currently have on the car. Is the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4. They are very, very good tires. I have a review in the channel, link in the description below or somewhere in here. Click on that and you'll see my review of these tires. I've had this for a year and this is what it looks like over a year. Performs well on snow. The Continentals, I have them on the SCATPACK at 305 size. So I also have that in the channel. So check that out if you want to look at. This is the stock Pirelli Pzero tires that come with the Hellcat. This has also been in the car for maybe 8 months. So, and that's the other Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06. So here they are side by side. As you can see, the tire patterns, the tire design. As you can see, you can see the grooves are really designed for all season snow. Have this little grooves right here that you would see would really bite the snow on snow, so it'll get you traction. And because of this high performance side, you know, it's a true high performance tire. So I've had very good experience with this on my SCATPACK. I only tried the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 for the Hellcat 305/35 ZR20 because I've seen some videos of very good reviews. Tire Review on YouTube is a very good website or a very good channel to subscribe to, and you'll see that this one performed well on all season. But they are currently hard to get. They are out of stock everywhere. I've been looking for months now, and I finally just decided to get the Continentals because they're much easier to get. They're readily available, and they're a bit less expensive than the Continental. I think about $80 less. So the all-season Pirelli here, Pzero, that came with the car, they're good tires, but they're just not as good as the Michelin or the Continental. So a lot of people that own Hellcats get this tire obviously from the factory and they change it out right away because they're just not satisfied. I mean, just look at the tire design on this one, right? Side by side, let me look at it with a Continental. I mean, you can see how the Continental design is a lot more designed for wet evacuation and snow traction. I mean, you don't even see this grooves right here, this little tiny grooves right here. The Pirellis don't have it. That means that when you're in the snow, this will grip better. And this is a much wider tire. This is a 315/35. This is a 305/35/20 tire. So much wider. As you can see my hand here compared to that one. And I'm running it all the way around. And why, you ask? So that I can rotate tires. When you have a Hellcat, you'll be spending a lot of money on tires just because you like to drive aggressively or spiritedly, and it just blows out the tire every time you take off. So it wears out. So this is a 1-year-old. I put this on in October of last year, and this is what it looks like. I think it's 5/32 right now as measured, as compared to a brand new Continental. So I'm going to put this on today and then do a thorough review, because I haven't had the Plus. The SCATPACK had 315/35 ZR20 Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06, but it didn't have the Plus. That's a mouthful. Try saying that. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and put on the tires, and I'll let you know how they perform. Okay, we're on the way to the tire shop. Fix the camera. And we're gonna have this Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06 Plus installed. And you might ask, why am I changing the Pirelli 305s in the front? It's because the 315/35 is a little bit taller, which will allow me to not scrape as I go down my driveway. You'll probably hear it scraping a little bit. Oh, lucky it didn't scrape. But that's one of the reasons. So just to recap, currently I'm running Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 in the back, which are the size 315/35/20 in the back. And it was 315s of Michelin Pilot Sport All Seasons all the way around the car. But when I had that tire puncture a couple of months ago, and the video is in the channel, I could not find a replacement for that one tire. Could not find anywhere. It's been months I've been searching. So what I did was, in order to be able to keep driving the car, is I have my stock Pirelli 305/35/20 Pzero, the one that came with the tire, with the car, I mean, still available for me in my garage. So I installed it in the front. So I'm running 305/35/20 Pirelli Pzero in the front on the stock wheels, and I'm running 315/35/20 Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 in the back. Because of this situation, it works. You know, the driving is the same and it performs well. But my problem is, since the 315s are taller and the 305s are less taller or shorter, or you know, the tire height is shorter, I'm finding that I'm scraping everywhere, because the car, as you know guys, is lowered on EIBACH springs. So in my driveway, whether I come in or I come out of my driveway, because I have a slope in my driveway, the entry has a slope and the garage has a lip. So when I come in or out, I scrape the brake cooling ducts, you know, those plastic pieces, and then I also scrape the rock guards. So I kind of got tired of having those scraped. I could have waited for Michelin to have it in stock, available somewhere, and I just got tired of those scrapings. And since I enjoy driving this car, it kind of gets tiring after a while when you're scraping, and that's why I decided to get the Continentals. So the Continental Extreme Contact 315s are the same height as the Michelin, obviously, with the same size tires. They are going to the back of the car because they're brand new, and the Michelins are gonna go in the front because they're about a year old. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm no longer gonna scrape in my driveway. That's my biggest problem. there you go. The tires are installed. Main difference is the Michelin up front has a more squared off sidewall, while the Continentals in the back has a more rounded off sidewall. Hope you enjoyed this video, and click the share, like, and subscribe. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.